So how do you get a video in the corner of your iPad screen? Let's explain that. So if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. At first, open up your settings and on the left panel, locate the multitasking and gestures section. You can see it right away in here, and at the bottom we have one toggle which is called Start PIP Automatically. It stands for the picture-in-picture mode, right? And you want to make sure this is turned on for the floating video in the corner to work. And then you can check out like your video players if it supports it. A lot of people would want to do it through YouTube, which it works in there as well. You have to be part of the premium subscription, which I only recommend. It's a great feature. I've been using it for years, right? And in there, you basically just start playing the video and then you leave the screen like that and you can basically just have the video floating in the corner, right? You can move it around, you can multitask or do some other things with the video playing like that, right? So you can resize it. And when you tap on this like floating window, you even have controls, right? Like you can go a little bit further, a little bit back, and also like pause the video, close it, whatever. So let me know if you manage to make it work on your device specifically. In case of any questions, leave them below, but most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the next upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.